Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about how to start a business with no money. We've talked about this before, but this is a different twist. This is a promotion that I'm going to do because some of y'all always say, well, I don't have enough money to make an investment into whatever it may be. As you guys know, the stats, 50% of the population makes less than $29,000 a year. 60% makes less than $39,000 a year. And 50% of the population has only $500 emergency funds. We're going to talk about it, but you know it's regarding that cell phone company that I've been promoting. And there's a way that you can invest with no money. So now, please like, subscribe, click the bell so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. Welcome back. Well, I'm not going to mention the company name because if I do, I have to get approval from legal department. And every time I just get tired of always having to edit or change the videos due to legal. So I won't mention the name, but you guys will see a link in the description below to the company. If you want a cell phone, we'll start with this right now. Everybody knows we've been promoting the $300 one-time payment for 9 years of service. That's right. It's been out now 4 months. It works. Everything works. And what I would advise is you order now before November 30th, because on December 1st, the price goes up and it's going to be $600 for 5 years. I know some of you know the numbers already, but what they're going to do, they're going to allow financing, but you're going to have to put down $185. But that's not the point. $300 for 9 years, everybody's grandfathered in for 9 years. So you don't want to miss out on this opportunity if you want to stop paying a monthly cell phone bill. Like I said, 50% of the population doesn't even have $500 as an emergency fund. So that means a lot of people can save on their monthly cell phone bills. So you might as well get this SIM card. You have 9 days guaranteed once you get the SIM card, once it's activated. If you don't like the service or it's not what it says it is, then just get a refund. You have nothing to lose. But so far, nobody has asked for a refund, just so you know. So anyhow, let's get to the money-making aspects of all this. So what I'm going to do is on the website, stopstrugglingnow.com/affiliate, there's going to be a page there. And I'm going to accept up to about 5 or 6 people who actually want to put in some work to make money. This is very simple. Because this is Stop Struggling Now, you're not going to have to pay any money out of pocket. We're going to make this simple. You're going to have to spend your time, your energy, your effort by promoting, otherwise known as affiliate marketing in some circles. Some people can use social media marketing. Some people have email lists, or some people just want to do it hand-to-hand combat, as I call it, person to person. Either way, you're going to have to go to stopstrugglingnow.com/affiliate if you want to become a part of the sales crew. I'm going to break it down for you. It's very simple. Every time you sell a SIM card until November 30th, you're going to get $30. Now, it's not as simple as selling a SIM card. Once you sell a SIM card, a person receives it in 3 to 4 days after they order it, and they have to activate, meaning they call up, activate the service, and it's on. You will get $30 for every person. That's simple, not that hard. But let's just say you're a go-getter. Let's say you're promoting all over the place. You just say you have a Facebook following or social media following or no following. It doesn't matter. But the numbers are this. Once you hit 20 people during the course of a month, I'm going to up it to $40. So you got it. You activate 1 through 20. you get $30. The 21st person, then that means all persons, you now get $40. This is very simple. All you're going to have is a link. But first, like I said, stopstrugglingnow.com/affiliate. You have to come there, you fill it out. I'm only going to accept 6 people. This requires no money out of your pocket because anybody can talk to somebody on social media. Anybody can talk to somebody like your next door neighbor. Everybody has a cell phone. Almost everybody you can talk to because simply put, who doesn't want to save money on their cell phone bill? And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. So 1 through 20, $30. But during the month, if you happen to get to the 21st person, then it's 1 through 21, you get $40. Now, I don't know about you, but there can't be any complaint since there's no money coming out of pocket, and this is going to be all on your efforts. Everything that you're putting forth. And that means you can do this any time of day or night. The only requirement that there's going to be is you cannot use the name or make flyers or make banners or anything like that that are not already approved by the legal department. If you do that, you're getting cut off. There's no freelancing. We can't have people out there trying to promote something and possibly have incorrect information. So I'll stick with the information. $300 for 9 years until November 30th. After that, it's $600 for 5 years, but there is financing. Like I said, there's a link below, so you can go check it out. At the company link, there's going to be the information. You go to that page, you can see the countdown clock. Simple. There is unlimited text, unlimited data. And the data part, starting December 1st, is going to be totally unlimited. Right now until November 30th, they still have 2 gigabytes of unlimited data, and then they throttle back the data usage just in case. But in 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks, it's full-blown unlimited. You can now call out of the United States to 93 countries. Unlimited, no roaming, no long distance, no nothing, no annual bill, no taxes, no fees. And also down below in the description, I'm going to put in there how this is all going to happen. And by the way, I'll recap the other scenario. If you want to join me on this venture and you want to make money without having to put any money down, that's fine. And just keep in mind, you're going to receive an activation fee. But what I didn't mention earlier is after you put in hard work, everybody wants to get paid a little bit of money. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a monthly residual. As long as you're promoting the company using your link, you're going to get a residual. As long as you sign up 1 person a month, you're going to get a residual. All right? That's going to be the requirement. You'll see that in like the terms of service, that if you decide that you are not going to promote the company any longer, there will be a set number. So if you get a certain amount of people, then you're always going to receive commission. You're going to receive a monthly commission. And like I said, in the description below, you can read how you get to receive a monthly commission. I haven't figured out the numbers yet, but all I can say is it's probably going to be the equivalent of 10 to 25 cents. It all depends monthly per person that you activate. Now, let's get down to some prizes, because today you might notice I'm wearing something from the Super Bowl from a few years ago. And this year, the Super Bowl is in the ATL. For all those that don't know what that means, it's Atlanta, Georgia. So there are Super Bowl tickets for the football game, which I'm definitely not talking about that. But there's parties. And everybody likes to go to parties, right? To give off some names, there's Playboy parties, there's Maxim parties, there's Ditka parties, there's Hall of Famer parties. You know how it goes. So here's what we're going to do. The top person in the program who makes the most activations between now and January 2020 or January 15th, because that'll give you plenty of time, because it's basically February 4th or 2nd or 3rd, somewhere that weekend, I believe, is the Super Bowl. So anyhow, between now and January 15th, the person that has the most activations in this program that I'm offering, you're going to be, you can, if you're able to come to the ATL, because I'm not going to deal with the accommodations, because anytime there's Super Bowls, the accommodations are outrageous. Motel 6 will be $600 for a night. But that's going to have to be up to you. But one of the parties, we're going to, you and a companion. So basically, I'm going to make it for two people. We're going to go to one of the parties, and you'll be able to take your choice, because I don't know exactly which ones yet, but Playboy, Maxim, DirecTV, Saturday night, or maybe one of the Hall of Famers, Ditka's Cigars, or whatever. I'll have a list out January 15th for the winner, and there's only going to be one winner, but you're going to be able to bring two people, or it's going to be for two. So you and a friend, companion, whoever. That's it. So what else can I tell you? Now, I guess there's a little incentive. There's money, there's incentive, and have a little fun in the ATL. So it won't cost you anything in the ATL for getting into the party. And in fact, if you are there like 2 days, and let's say Thursday you're able to come in, there's some things going on usually Thursday nights, and maybe we'll just throw that in for you so you can have some fun. So anyhow, if you have any questions, just hit me up, eric@stopstrugglingnow.com, or you can hit the messages down below. So I don't want to hear anybody whining about, I don't have any money to invest in anything. I don't want to hear anybody whining about, what can I do? Everybody has a cell phone. So just simply talking should work. Now, granted, it's new, so you get a lot of objections. Nobody believes it, but it's just a matter of time, because more and more people are getting it. There's probably only, from what I understand, there's 10 or 12,000 people in the United States who even have the service right now. So it's not that many people that's even heard about it nor know about it. So this is a great opportunity for long-term growth. Can you imagine a year from now, how many people you've signed up and you're getting a commission, a monthly commission? Think about it. So think about what I'm offering. And by the way, the cutoff is going to be November 15th. On November 15th, I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to select my 5 or 6 people. Maybe even I might even go up to 10 if I have a decent response. But right now, it's probably just going to be held to 5 or 6 people that's going to be approved. So give me your bio, a resume, how you plan on promoting it, and just go to stopstrugglingnow.com/affiliate. And then somebody who activates the most people, we're in the ATL at a party, at one of the red carpet event parties. So that's one thing. And then I might throw in something else. You just never know. Depends on how it's going. And I'll probably add another prize for the second place finisher as well. So again, with that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and please like, subscribe, and share, and click the bell so you get the latest updates. And I'm out.